Tired of choosing between expensive subscriptions and limited online spreadsheets? What if there was a third option that gives you the best of both worlds? Let me show you why I switched to WPS Office. First, let's talk cost. Microsoft Excel requires a paid Microsoft 365 subscription. Google Sheets is free, but relies entirely on the internet. WPS Office, completely free to use, forever, with powerful offline functionality. It's an instant win for your budget. Familiarity and power. But does free mean less powerful? Not at all. WPS Spreadsheets has near-perfect compatibility with Excel files. Formulas, charts, macros, everything just works. You don't have to relearn a thing. It feels like Excel, but without the price tag. Here's the feature that made me stay. Tabbed browsing. Unlike Excel, where you juggle multiple windows, WPS lets you open multiple spreadsheets in a single window. Just like a web browser, it dramatically simplifies switching between files and comparing data. This alone is a huge productivity boost. Bonus features. Plus, WPS isn't just a spreadsheet tool. It's a full Office suite. You get writer and presentation apps, and incredibly useful built-in PDF editing tools, something you'd have to pay extra for elsewhere. Add in a vast template library and free cloud storage, and the value is undeniable. Ready to boost your productivity and save money? Download WPS Office for free from the link in the description below. Try it for yourself and see why it's become my go-to choice.